Yo, what's up guys? Yes, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we will have the new bike called the Manchez Scout. It just came out today, so we're just gonna, well, I guess, show it off to show you guys what it's about and what it can do. Because this bike's pretty cool. It has lots of customizations and it has some cool things that it can do with it. So let's just go to LS Customs, I guess, and get this down here. So this bike, put the price on the screen, it's like 200k. And the cool thing about this bike, look at these wheelies, they go for days. I think it's better than the actual Manchez. Like, you just do wheelies on this for days, like, actual for days. You can turn with them. You can really do anything with them when you're doing wheelies. Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been posting in a while, boys, because I've been doing some magnet fishing and we found a hand grenade. Put the link to that video down below. So, finally we are here at LS Customs. Let's go check out these customizations, shall we?
What brings you in today?
Bodywork. Ooh, we have some covers on the engine, I guess. Yeah, we're going for max size. Looks pretty bad. We don't care about the engine stuff. Exhaust. I kind of like the first exhaust. I like it on the wheel, yeah. I don't need no mad flops. Liveries. Ooh. I kind of like the sprayed camo. Yeah, that one. I kind of like that one. Just gonna have a look at some more though. So these are all locked. Yeah, I'm gonna buy the sprayed camo. Yeah, it looks better, in my opinion. We don't need no respray because we have the camo. Bags, here we have some bags at the front. Looks pretty good. Yeah, bags at the back. Pretty bad. Ooh, those webs though look pretty bad, but no, I like the stock. Yeah, they look like a real dirt bike. So I guess that's it for my customizations. Let's see. Yeah, it goes straight into a wheelie. I like that type of bike. God, I'm going on for days. Look at this. So if you like doing wheelies like I do, I would buy the Manchez or the Manchez Scout. The Manchez Scout's better in my opinion, because it goes quicker, as you can see. Well, boys, I guess that's the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Make sure to smash a like and subscribe. Link to my other YouTube channel down below, and link to my brother's YouTube channel. And that's me. Peace!
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk